Hi, I'm Cindy Wagner. My job is to organize, digitize, repair, preserve, and to make really cool stuff out of people's photos, like photo books, slideshows, and GIFs. You may have decided that now is a time that you would like to organize your own collection. You know what I'm talking about. The bins and the boxes, the albums and the scrapbooks, slides and negatives, the movies, letters, recipes, awards. It can be a lot of stuff, and it can be really overwhelming. So these video chats are to help you. They'll offer you ideas and techniques and tips so that you can be successful. So let's get started. So to start us off, let me guess. You have a mess. We won't call it a mess. We'll call it a collection. But before we talk about what's in your collection, let's talk about what you want out of the collection. You've probably been thinking about this project for a long time. You have an idea what you want from it. For me, it's about connections. It's about connecting with people right now, today. And it's also about connecting to a larger story. It's about connecting the dots. So for example, this is a photo of my grandmother who was married in 1916. And this is a picture of my mother who was married in 1946. And this is my daughter at 5 years old who will be married in 2020. Connection and fun and sharing, those are my reasons. I know you have your own. So for your homework, write it down. And then in our next chat, we're going to set up for success. See you then.